Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My previous video I showed you how I was able to stretch out my blunt end. If you know you've not watched the video, the link will be down below for you to be able to watch it. So on today's video I'll be showing you how I'll be able to blend this color together, this color black and wine. Let me say wine, yes, color wine. Let's get right to it. The first thing you to do is to just place it on each. I don't want the black to be too much, I just want more of the wine, so I pick a little black for it. So you place it on it this way. Can you see? So as you are removing it, you move it together. Can you see? Can you see the way I'm removing it? I'm removing it together. Now because the black is just a little quantity and the wine is more than the black, so I'll have to take more of the wine and little of the black. Hope you guys are watching. Can you see the difference of the way it was before and the way it is now? Now I'm not still okay with the results. I'm not still okay with the result because it hasn't blended to the way I want it to be. I'm going to go through the process. Can you see that it is different from the way it was before? I'm really loving it the way it is now. Wow, really nice. So can you see the second time that I've done it? So this time around you have to comb through it. My picky comb to comb through it. I think I already love the way the result is, so it depends. If you want to do it one more time to get the exact result you want, I'll go with this one. I'm really okay with this result. It came out real good. Can you see, guys? So that's the end of today's tutorial. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial, and if you find this video helpful, please do like, share, comment, and most importantly subscribe to my channel to get more tutorials that I'll be bringing in. Thank you guys. Till we meet again in my next video. Bye bye.